Hey guys, I'm Delta, and today I am going to explain the top 5 trains I want to see in SCR on Airlink. Anyway, let's begin. Number 5, the Class 442. This is a train that has been scrapped in 2020. So, the reason why these trains should go on Airlink is because they used to be on Gatwick Express and they did services to Gatwick Airport. These trains have a max speed of 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. Number 4, the Class 397. This is a CAF Civity Express train that is operated on TransPennine Express. These trains should go on Airlink because they go to Manchester Airport and they have first class. These trains have a max speed of 125 miles per hour or 201 kilometers per hour. These trains should also go on Express because they have a max speed of 125 miles per hour and they got first class. Number 3, the Class 317. This is a train that has been scrapped this year from Greater Anglia. The reason why these trains should go on Airlink is because when they were on Greater Anglia, they did services to Stansted Airport and they got first class. These trains have a max speed of 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. I really think these trains should go on Airlink as single and double variants, as 8 carriages is not too long for the platforms, and these trains did serve double units. Number 2, the Class 319s. These are trains that are in service on Northern and London North Western Railway. The reason why these trains should go on Airlink is because since I experienced them on Thameslink, and before Thameslink replaced First Capital Connect, these trains got first class and they go to Gatwick Airport. I know these trains are on Waterline since they do commuter services, but I really think they should get added to Airlink as well. These trains have a max speed of 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. I also really think that these trains should go on Airlink as single and double variants, and 8 carriages is not too long. These trains should also be used on Airlink as triple variants if they add platform extensions. And platform extensions is the key to adding longer trains. Number 1, the Class 700. These are trains that are in service on Thameslink and they replace the Class 319s. I know these trains have been removed in SCR version 1.0 and replaced by the 707s, since there is no 6 carriage Class 700 in real life, and there are 8 and 12 carriage variants. So the reason why these trains should go on Airlink is because, just like when the Class 319s were on Thameslink, the Class 700s have first class, and they do services to Gatwick Airport. These trains have a max speed of 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. The 8 carriage variant would go on well on Airlink, but 12 carriages is too long unless if they add platform extensions for the 12-carriage variant. If these trains were on SCR, I would use these on services to Airport Central stopper routes. So there we go. These are the top 5 trains I want to see on Airlink. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Peace out.